Testing. Cheeseburger, hot dog, french fries. Go.
Cheeseburger, hot dog,
And french fries!
This is the Mufasa and Zazu show.
And Cheeseburger went to escape.
Cheeseburger.
Hey, it's Mufasa.
And Zazu.
If you watched the new war video, you would recognize Zazu's cool gun speech.
My famous gun speech. It will become famous.
So, we're gonna show it slow down.
Motion.
Check it out.
Listen, kids. Guns is what your parents want you to think is bad, but they're really not. They're good for people with depression. Just long as you don't shoot yourself, you know. People you don't like, people you don't get along with, you know, you can just shoot them and get rid of your problems. Go guys! Woo! You can't put that on YouTube, Kristen. No. No, we regret all the things that she said. When this goes on YouTube, we do not want any problems. We're not putting this shit on YouTube. Why? I don't want to be on YouTube when I'm all hot and mess outside. No! Whatever, I'm done. Oh, put this shit on YouTube? Don't listen.
Oh, hi. Okay, so anyhow, if you like the slow motion, let's see how you like fast motion.
Bye.